Hi, in today's video, we'll be talking about how to transform your life with some easy to follow tips. First things first, what is a support system? A support system is a group of people who you can rely on for help and advice. They can be friends, family, co-workers, or even strangers. Now that we know what a support system is, let's talk about how to create one. Here are some easy tips. 1. Talk to people. Get to know them and let them get to know you. 2. Be there for others. Offer your help and support when they need it. 3. Be positive. Bring positivity into every interaction. 4. Listen. Really listen to what others have to say. 5. Be reliable. When you say you're going to do something, do it. By following these simple tips, you can create a strong support system that will help you through tough times and celebrate your successes. So go out there and start building your support system today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.